Thank you, Madam Speaker. The Honourable Prime Minister, honourable members, I too rise today to express my support for the bill before this House. And I thank the Attorney-General and Minister for Economy and his team for a very well thought out, inclusive economic plan. Our aim, Madam Speaker, is to see a Fiji filled with jobs, booming businesses, prosperous professionals, zero discrimination and zero poverty. We want a more resilient Fiji, energised by the task of building stronger foundations of economy and an environment that will shield us from natural disasters. Our government is functioning effectively, assisting Fijians to live and work in dignity, even in the aftermath of a deadly catastrophe like the one we all just came through. Madam Speaker, a key focus for our government has been home ownership across the social housing sector in Fiji. This focus on housing support for all Fijians will increase towards the lower income segment of our people. As in the past, our government proposes to continue assisting this segment through partnering on several initiatives. Madam Speaker, this budget will ensure that 260 Fijians will have had their dream of owning land or a house or both realised in this coming year. A further 106 Fijians will be supported through our First Home Buyers program. And over 410 low-income earning Fijians will begin to benefit through affordable housing lots in Matavoli this year and will be eligible to build their homes soon after that. Madam Speaker, $500,000 has been allocated to assist approximately 50 financially disadvantaged Housing Authority customers who have paid 1.5 times their home loans. The people assisted through this program are retirees or those who are physically challenged on medical grounds. Madam Speaker, our ministry is in the process of emulating a specialised housing model that will catalyse home ownership among the lower income segments of Fiji. A rent-to-buy model is being piloted wherein public rental board tenants can allocate part of their rental payments towards home ownership. In the last 2 years, PRB was allocated $8 million for the provision of affordable rental housing units for low-income earners below the $10,400 threshold. Out of this, a $2 million rental subsidy grant has assisted nearly 2,000 PRB tenants. The remaining $6 million housing construction grant further assisted 84 families. In addition to this, a $1 million rental subsidy grant will assist financially disadvantaged rental customers throughout the 24 housing estates in the country. Madam Speaker, our government has allocated $5 million to the informal settlement upgrading program in the last 2 years. These upgrading projects are at different stages of the program and are expected to provide fully serviced residential lots with leases issued to over 350 eligible sitting tenants. Madam Speaker, government allocated $10 million for assistance to the first-time homeowners in 2015, and this is planned to continue into 2016 and 2017. To date, this program has assisted 653 families. Likewise, the much-needed emergency assistance of $0.5 million for house fire victims will also continue into 2016 and 2017. Now to environment, Madam Speaker. This year we finalised designs for the construction of Stage 2 of the Numboro landfill. With a capital allocation of $3.7 million, we are ready to begin construction of Stage 2 in 2016. Once fully developed, Stage 2 will be able to increase the lifespan of the landfill by another 7 years of waste to be stored at Numboro. We are also in the final stages of design of a waste transfer station to service municipal councils in the Central Division, and construction works will begin in 2016 and continue through next year with a capital grant of $0.5 million. The proposed waste transfer station in Langere will assist municipal councils to maximise their collection services, eliminating the need to travel long distances to Numboro, an element of waste management, Madam Speaker, that has hindered the effectiveness of councils to make towns and cities cleaner, healthier and more resilient. Madam Speaker, this budget is a culmination of extensive consultation and wide consideration, a budget that will rebuild our nation and give us a resilient future, a budget that intends to unite us all, sharing our resources, our skills, building a stronger Fiji, and developing an inclusive economy for generations to come. Madam Speaker, honourable members, I thank you for your time and reiterate that I fully support this all-inclusive budget. Vinaka.